Hello students, today we will see Venn diagram. Now what is a Venn diagram? First, it was invented by British logician John Venn. He was the first to use closed figures to represent sets. Such a representation are known as Venn diagram. Now as Venn was his name, so he was the inventor, so to remember him, the name is given Venn diagram. Now example is that, first example, set A contains element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here I have used this circle, this all as a Venn diagram. We can write the elements present in set A anywhere in this closed figure and we will write the name of this set. In second example, this statement is in rule method. I have also written it in listing method. So it is set B is a set of all x such that x is greater than and equal to minus 10 and x is smaller than and equal to 0, where x is an integer. This is how set B is presented in listing method. Set B is equal to from 0 till from minus 1 till minus 10. Now I know that you all might be thinking that why these negative numbers are always presented in this way. We know that on a number line, whenever we draw a number line, we always have 0 at the center, positive number to the right side and negative numbers to the left side. So while writing the set of negative numbers, always this number line is considered, and that's why the set of integers or the set of negative number is written like this. Now I have done the Venn diagram presentation here below. You can see that here for presenting I have used a rectangle. Now for Venn diagram presentation you can use any closed figure. So I have used here a rectangle. I have given the name of the set, that is B, and you can see I have put the integers wherever we feel in this rectangle. I hope you have understood what is a Venn diagram actually. It's just a diagrammatic presentation of a set. Now we will see what are the subsets. Your example I have given. Set A is having elements 1 to 8. Set B is having element 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now here I have done the Venn diagram presentation of set A. But you can see that all elements of set B are present in set A. So instead of drawing a new diagram, I will make a subset here and I will name it as B. So I can say every element of set B is present in set A, therefore set B is subset of A. This is the symbol for subset, and this is Venn diagram presentation. Another example is there, set of students in a classroom and set of students in the same class who can attend online lectures. This is how I have represented Venn diagram. Here I have used a hexagon. this hexagon is presenting the students in a class, and this oval shape is representing students who can attend online lectures. Means from these many students in the class, only these students can attend the lectures. So I will say these students who can attend lectures are subset of the class.